the insurance companies which are in focus, as insurers have reacted to the government's indications that the free lock-in period for insurers must be increased from a 1-month period to a 1-year period. What does this mean for the industry and what is their feedback? Yash has been speaking to sources from the industry itself on that. And Yash, what is it that the industry is making of this?
Well, very quickly, Mangalam, it was just last week when the government had indicated that they plan to ask private insurance companies to increase the free look period from the current 1 month to about 1 year. What is a free look period? Essentially, it's the period within which if you return any kind of policy to the insurance company, then the insurance company would be liable to return you the entire premium that you paid for that 1 year without charging any surrender charges. We've been speaking to life and health insurance companies, the two segments which could be most impacted. Speaking about life insurance industry first, the industry has been of the view so far that even if the free look period is increased from 1 month to about 1 year, it won't have a significant impact on them. That is because of two reasons. One, life insurance is a very serious contract between a policyholder and an insurance company, and the possibility of someone trying to game the system with a product like life insurance would be very, very low. Second point is that in case if someone does that also, we already have higher surrender value which came into place just a few months ago. And if the insurer has to return the entire premium, then the margin of error over the higher surrender value would be just about 17 rupees on a 100 rupee premium which has been collected. That too on a segment which is very low in terms of expectations who would want to do something like this. General insurance is where it could have a larger impact because insurance companies feel there could be policyholders who could return a policy, buy a new policy, take claim and then return a policy, buy a new policy, or even distributors could sell, mis-sell, force-sell policies just to earn that commission on the distribution of this policy, and the policy could be cancelled. So that could be a bigger impact. Of course, all these companies, health insurance companies, life insurance companies, expected to submit some safeguard measures with the regulator if this regulation indeed comes through.
All right, Yash, thanks a lot for that. So that's something we'll need to keep an eye out on. We trust Yash to bring us up to speed with all developments as they happen. Now, let's talk about some important